Hi, my name is Jocelyn Henderson and I'm your instructor for word processing, CMAP 1725-60. Let's get started with week 1. You'll notice the first link is for your syllabus, which you can open and save and download to your computer. Be sure you read all of it carefully. You have a quiz that's due September the 6th. Your assignment schedule is a listing of all the assignments that are due, plus a brief description of them and their point value. This is also something I recommend that you download and save to your computer, print out, put it in your book, and use it as a checklist for items completed. It's several pages long. It also tells you that you need to submit a rubric with each of your completed assignments that is provided under each topic in Moodle. This is what this looks like. Okay, I'm going to X out, go back here. Your first click for topic 1, which is also known as week 1, gives you the detailed instructions for each week's assignments. I encourage you to print this out if you have a printer. Gives you your objectives, the activities, and some more detailed, or I should say just detailed instructions of what each of the assignments are. And so they're listed here for you to read. This talks about downloading the files that you need for your first topic, for your first week's assignments, as well as for all of the assignments. These are data files, and I'll talk more about them in just a second. I'm going to close this window. The introductory icebreaker forum is here. Everyone's required to participate. These are also known as cyber cafes. So I explained to you a little bit about myself here, and then here's an introduction of me, and you can reply to mine or you can add a new discussion topic, either way that you'd like to do it. I'd also like you to attach a photo of yourself or an image that tells something about you if you're camera shy. I'm going to go back to, I can click here to get back to the last page, or here to return to week 1. Either place is a link that will take you where you need to go. The next item on the page is the syllabus quiz. So after you've read your syllabus, take this quiz. The best score is recorded. You can take it 2 times. The next link are the Word data files to download and extract. Your textbook requires that you have files to work with. They have started some of the files for you, the documents, and all you do is edit them. In some cases, you'll actually be required to create a new file from scratch, as I call it. If we click on this link, I've already uploaded the file. I'm going to take off the 1, and I'm going to name it Word Data Files. Now, you have to decide where you want to place it. My recommendation is you put it in your Documents folder. If you want it to be near the top of your listing, then put a 1 in front of it, a 01. Click Save. It is a zipped file, which means it's compressed. In Google, you'll see it listed down here at the bottom left. You can click on it and it will bring you to your Documents folder where you saved it, and you'll notice it's listed here as Enhanced. That's what that stands for, Word 2013. Click Extract All. You can change where you want it to be saved. If you want it in a different location than this, you can browse to it. Maybe you prefer to put it on your desktop. And I clicked Show Extracted Files When Complete. Click Extract, and it extracts the files for you. So if I double click, these are the files the folders that you'll be working with. The files are in each one of these folders. You will start with FM, which stands for File Management, which is the first chapter in your textbook. If you'll turn to your first page in your textbook labeled as FM1, you'll see it's labeled Managing Your Files. At the bottom of the first page it says Starting Data Files, FM, and then it lists all the files that you can work with there. It also tells you for the review case which files you would need to start with, case 1 and case 2. Now, all I require for you for this file management chapter is for you to read it. If you can follow along and actually do some of the tasks depending on your version of your operating system, go ahead and try and do it. But don't stress over it. Just do it. It's bonus. If you don't need to know how to extract files, save files, create new folders, rename folders, then just take the bonus quiz and see how you do. The next chapter is Tutorial 1. The textbook is divided into tutorials, also known as chapters. So pause this video now and open your first chapter, WD1, which is called Creating and Editing a Document.